Hey, listen, it's Julbert here. If you ever thought about starting a virtual assistant agency or you already have one and it feels chaotic, this video is for you. All right, so I own a VA company, so I can share all the details about this. I'm going to show you exactly how to use HighLevel to automate, organize, and scale your virtual assistant business step by step, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll see how one platform can run your entire agency. I've done it. I know you can too. From onboarding clients to automating follow ups to tracking every lead in one platform. And the best part is, I'm going to give you a free 30-day trial of HighLevel so you can test it out. Normally it's 14-day, but I got the hookup. Plus, you get a free strategy call with our team to literally help you build out your first system if that's something that you need. So the link's going to be right below in the comments and under the video. But definitely stay with me because I'm about to show you how everything connects. All right. So get your pen and paper. Let's get started. All right. When I first started, I used to have 5 different tools, right? I had one for email, one for text, one for contracts, one for websites, Google spreadsheet to hit it all together. If that sounds familiar, that's what I used to do. All right. Then I decided to leverage HighLevel and that replaced everything. That's like our CRM, calendar, automation, AI chatbots, AI voice agent, all in one dashboard. And that's what make it a perfect platform if you have a virtual assistant business or an agency. You can use it to build system once. Then have your VAs, right, which is our team, duplicate them for every new client. So that's how you leverage it, right? It means less manual work for you, okay? More consistency for your clients. So that's how you create systems. And guess what? You're able to have higher profit per account. So let me show you what that looks like. All right. I want you to picture this. Most new VA business owners, agency owners overcomplicate everything. You don't need 20 different services. You need 1 to 3 strong ones that solve real problems. And I'll give you some example. One offer can be a lead response and booking, right? Business loses money because they don't reply fast enough. And with HighLevel, your VA can manage all messages, texts, emails, Facebook, Instagram in one conversation box, right? We actually did it for one of our clients. You can even turn on a missed call text backs. So when someone called and you missed the call, they can automatically get a text back. Or you can use an AI voice agent to answer your phone so your phone never not being answered. And it'll say something like, hey, just missed your call. Want to book a quick chat? And the person can reply. Boom, they get the link. They get going, right? That single setting alone has saved clients thousands of dollars, thousands. And that can be your whole thing. That's your service right there. Or if you want, here's the second one, DM and comment automation, right? If your clients get a lot of comments, let's say they're big influencers, they got thousands of people and following them on Instagram or other platform, this one can be a game changer. Your VA can set up automations like whenever someone comments menu or pricing, and they automatically get a text, right? A message to with a link to book a time to talk, right? No more checking DMs every hours. No more replying to 1,000+ DMs. The system responds instantly, able to book appointment, collects email, and even follow-ups and generate sales automatically, right? So you got to think about that. It's simple, it's fast, and it's ridiculously effective. All right. Now you could have that as your second service. I'll give you a third one: reputation and review management. Right. So that could be your niche as a VA agency. Here's one every business owners understand: reviews, especially Google reviews. If they're not getting 5-star reviews consistently, they're leaving a lot of money on the table. I know for me, when I go to a restaurant, one first thing I look at is how many 5-star reviews they got, right? HighLevel automatically send a text and email after every sale or appointment asking happy customers to leave a Google review. So if you're working with restaurants, that's a gold mine. If someone unhappy, it collects the feedback privately so you protect the brand and before bad reviews go public. So that way you can take care of this and make sure you make it right for the customer. It's automation with empathy, and clients loved it, right? So now you know we talk about three different services. Let's talk about setup. This part to me is easier than it sounds. First, you need to have a HighLevel account, right? So you get 30-day free. So grab that. You go to Launchpad, there's a tab that says Launchpad dashboard. This is where you connect everything, right? Your Google, your Facebook, your Instagram, Stripe, phone number, even WhatsApp. You can do it for yourself, you can do it for your clients. Depends on the plan that you take, right? Now, everything is in one place. That's one. Second, you want to create a calendar. If your clients book calls, there's a round robin you can use so automatically rotate the call between the team members. Let's say you have 3 or 4 VAs that answer the phone, right? You can pull those out to them. Third, you can build your automation. Start simple, like when the form is filled out, they get an email, right? 5 minutes, then they send a text. Wait a day, then a follow up again. We have a follow up sequence that goes for about 6 to 12 months in our system, right? It's all drag and drop, no coding. And if you need help, we have VAs that can set this whole thing up for you. Fourth, you want to plug in the reputation management. After each job or meeting, HighLevel sends an automated review request. And finally, set up your website or landing page using HighLevel. There's dozens of templates for different industries. Just pick one, update the text, make some changes, publish, right? With one, like literally one day, your VA agency can have like this entire system live. So I'll give you an example on how one of our clients, right, local mechanic shop, they were missing half of their calls, get voicemail, but it took forever to follow up. So they're losing thousands of dollars and not even realizing it. So what we did is we set them up with a missed call text back and a simple automation. If someone fill out a form, they'll automatically get a text with a booking link, and that person can book a time to go to their office immediately, right? Guess what happened? Within 2 weeks, the bookings doubled. He didn't hire anyone new to do this. He just stopped losing leads, right? Think about that. You could just work with a specific niche. That's all you do. That's the kind of transformation you can deliver at HighLevel. And you have your VA team to manage everything. If you don't have a VA team, you can rightly go with us, right? So no magics, just better system, right? And here's how to run it smoothly. First, you want to have one VA that's like your system manager VA to set up all the automation, set up the calendar. We can provide you with one to do that. You have a second one that's more like your admin VA, managing inbox, replies, make sure that everything is responding to. And then third, you could have one that does sales and check reviews, reports, metrics, and handle optimization. Now you have 3 VAs working part-time with specific roles. And you as the owner, you can focus on strategy, clients relationship, bringing in new clients in the door. That's how you will build and scale your VA business or VA agency without any chaos. So let's recap, right? I know I talk a lot. HighLevel helps you with automated lead flow and follow-ups, turn DMs into bookings, collect 5 stars review on autopilot, run everything in one platform, one dashboard that saves you a lot of money. And now you can try it for free for 30 days. That's literally double the standard trial. Plus, what I'm doing is giving you access to a free strategy call with our team to help you identify where we can help. Probably place a VA number one, place a VA number two, a VA number three, so that you can be up and running literally quickly, right? So we'll show you exactly what to automate first, how we automate things in our business, right? Because we also own a VA staffing agency and help you go live fast. So click the link below to claim your free 30-day trial and book your strategy call with us today. Because guess what? Your next big leap in business isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with systems that never sleeps. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Cheers.